Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Talkback, so use the accessibility gestures. Two-finger swipe to move through lists and double tap to open. First, wake the phone and unlock it with your PIN or pattern using Talkback's guidance. It will announce entries as you touch them. Once on the home screen, find settings in the app drawer. Navigate with one finger and two-finger scrolling, then double tap to enter. I'm showing the immediate actions so you don't get stuck in navigation. Now that you're in settings, scroll with two fingers to accessibility. On some Samsung models, it's under General Management or Additional Settings, so search if needed. When you locate Talkback, single tap to focus it. Talkback will read the option, then double tap to open. Inside the Talkback screen, focus the on/off toggle and double tap to change it. Alternatively, if your phone supports the shortcut, press and hold both volume keys for after toggling Talkback off, a confirmation dialog may appear. Focus the Confirm or OK button and double tap to accept. Once done, try a single finger tap and standard swipe to ensure the screen responds normally. This verifies Talkback is disabled. If controls still require two-finger gestures, the toggle didn't change. Make sure you completed the confirmation. If things go wrong, restart the phone or use the volume keys shortcut again. Restarting often clears leftover accessibility behavior and restores normal touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.